Stiff wear, okay?
I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you. Listen to my heart go.
So you guys, I am really excited for you all to see this wig. Shoot, I'm excited to see this wig because I have been waiting for it. It feels like forever, but it's literally only been like a few days. So of course I got this wig from UNICE. So this isn't my first time ordering from UNICE. When I first started ordering from UNICE, I would always order their bundles because I was into sewing and stuff like that. But baby, all I do is wigs now, okay? I am so into these U-part wigs because I can just put it on, take it off. It's just, the wigs are way more effortless nowadays, especially the U-part wigs, because all I gotta do is just clip it in with minimal leave out. Basically, I can make it look like a sew-in, but it's not a sew-in. I ain't gotta worry about the itchy braids or anything like that. So, and plus, I don't even know how to braid. So, to save my coin, I'd rather just rock my wig. Okay, so when I open this box, the first thing I see is a pink bag. And look, looks like we've got some gifts, y'all. I spy lashes. I love lashes, so I'm really glad that we have some. Let me open these up to get a closer look. Ooh, okay. So UNICE has come a long way with the lashes, okay? Let me give y'all a closer look. Look at that. Just look at how beautiful these are. Okay, because I remember the other lashes that I used to get from UNICE, I would have to layer them up. Now they free, so I was not complaining, but these are like a huge upgrade. These are exactly my style of lashes, as you can already see. I like them thick, but not too thick, and a little bit wispy, so I'm excited to try these on. Next, it looks like we have an edge wrap with UNICE on it. That's really cute. So that's that. And then they also gave us a wig cap, and they always give wig caps with their wigs or bundles. And last but not least, they gave some nail wrap. So these are supposed to be applied to your natural nail. This is really cute. Now, I've never tried these before. This paper just sticking. So I've never tried these before, but I'll give it a try because these are holiday colors. That's really cute. The gold and the red. Okay, so next it looks like they gave me another headband, an extra headband, because I'm pretty sure the headband on the wig is going to be black. But this is really cute too. Okay, and now for the star of the show. No, wait, I have another one. I really like this one. This pink color is very different. So yeah, they actually give you two headbands. Okay, so let's open this wig up. So it comes in this long bag like so. There's a hairnet protecting it. Okay, and it looks like we have another headband. So this wig actually comes with 3 headbands aside from the one that's already on the wig. So this is what the wig looks like. I am loving the blonde, okay? I am loving it. And this is the extra headband that it comes with. It's black also, but it has these designs, these pink designs on it. So I really like it. I love the wig, okay? Can't y'all see how this wig is clearly cut in layers? Like, I could just rock this wig straight out of the pack, okay? Like, this is so freaking cute. Like, oh my God. Just fresh out the pack. And I got this wig at 16 inches. I love the fact that the roots are darker because it'll really blend in whenever I put this on my head. So it comes with 3 combs and then a bottom one for the back. And it also comes with an adjustable strap in the back. So you can choose where to put this. So you can just basically put this in any of these 3 slots here, and the same for this side. So that's what the inside looks like. And this is the black band that it comes with. It's supposed to snap together like this because it's Velcro. So the headband actually snaps like this. And it's adjustable since this is long. So you can even have it here or here. It really just depends on how big your head is. What I'm gonna do is just try this on, so that way I can kind of get a feel for how it's gonna look. So right now I have my hair pulled back into a bun, as you all can see. So I'm just gonna try this on. Okay. My baby hairs are sort of laid. My edges are sort of laid right now. But okay, so this is a look, honey. This is a look. So I've always wanted to rock a blonde wig, but never really had the guts to do it. But this isn't too bad because it's ombre, okay? It's ombre, so it is not too crazy. But yeah, this wig is very soft and silky, and it has a lot of body. Stiff wear, okay? So basically this wig, you can just basically put it on and go, okay? Put it on and go. And I think this will look really cute with wand curls as well. Okay, so now that we are done playing with this wig, we're actually going to wash and style this wig, okay? So stay tuned. Okay, so I took some time to wash the hair and I let it air dry for the most part, but it was taking too long. So basically I ended up using a comb blow dryer, but I did have it on a cool setting or whatever. So let me show you which one that I used. So I actually used this one. I actually got this one off of Amazon, and the link will be below. It's by Revlon, and this is the result of the wig. So it's dry, completely dry. The headband is just a little bit damp, but other than that, the hair is completely dry. I definitely want this wig to be really snug on my head, so where the Velcro is, I'm gonna make sure I get it completely over to where it ends. There we go. So it can be nice and snug. Okay, so see how secure that is? So as you can see, this wig is very secure as long as you're using the combs. Now that we have this wig secured, before we start on the hair, I want to work on my edges. So I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued styling gel and my handy dandy toothbrush. So the reason I'm using this is because my edge brush is currently dirty from a lot of product buildup and I have to clean it, so I'm not using it on my head. Okay, so now that we are going to be putting some heat on this hair, I like to put heat protectant on all of my wigs. Just put it all over my hands, just a drop. And right now I'm combing it through so that way it is evenly distributed.
Like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I have something new. They get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I have something new. They get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go. Listen to my heart go.
Okay. So this is what I have so far from flat ironing it. So stay tuned.
Listen to my heart go. You know how I like it. Listen to my heart go. Listen to my heart go. Feelings so deep in the feelings. No, you remind me. You control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling.
Okay, so for the most part, I got this straight, but I want to go over it one more time because I feel like I missed some spots being in a rush. So I'm gonna use my straightening brush that I got from Amazon. This is the straightening brush. I've had it for a long time, so that's why it looks a mess. So I'm basically gonna go over this one more time with my straightening brush.
Listen to my heart go.
Okay, so our edges are slayed and laid. So this is the hair after I washed it, dried it, and straightened it. And it still looks just as good. And I am really feeling this blonde look, y'all. I am really feeling it. But the hair is very soft. It has a lot of body. And I really feel like this wig would go good with some one curls. But yeah, this is a simple look for whenever you want to get up and go. And see, this wig looks really good. Like even with just the black headband, this wig is like a really good look with just this. You know what? I'm gonna try on one of the headbands so that way you can get a clear picture of how it will look. So I am going to put on this black one here. Okay, so let's fix it to where it's kind of over the black one. There we go. There we go. So here you go. You got the overall picture. And I like these little headbands. These little headbands are really stylish, especially this one. This is really pretty. So this concludes our unboxing and styling of this headband wig by UNICE. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. This wig will be linked below. And let me know what you think in the comments of this beautiful wig. I loved it, and this is definitely a low maintenance do. As always, thank you for watching, subbies. And if you're new here, thank you, thank you, thank you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so that way you'll get more videos from moi. Bye-bye.